Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy at home. We will cover everything from gathering your simple ingredients to spinning those delightful sugary clouds. You will learn the essential equipment needed and the straightforward process to transform granulated sugar into a light, airy confection. Get ready to bring the fun of the fairground right into your kitchen with this sweet and easy guide. To begin your cotton candy adventure, you will need just a few key items. The star ingredient is plain granulated sugar, about 2 tablespoons per serving. For a splash of color and taste, consider adding a few drops of food coloring or a 1/4 teaspoon of flavored extract. Of course, a dedicated home cotton candy machine is crucial, along with paper cones or sticks to gather your sweet creation. Once your machine is preheated for about 5 to 10 minutes, carefully add 1 or 2 scoops of your granulated sugar into the heating element center. As the sugar melts, it will be spun out into incredibly fine, hair-like strands. Gently hold a paper cone or stick horizontally above the spinning head, rotating it slowly to catch the accumulating candy floss. Continue rotating until you have a fluffy cloud. For the best cotton candy, always start with a clean machine. Any residue can affect the outcome. Use only dry, granulated sugar, as moisture can cause clumping. Be careful not to overfill the sugar reservoir, as this might clog the heating element and prevent proper spinning. Remember, collecting the delicate floss takes a little practice, so do not worry if your first few attempts are not perfectly round.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.